Okay, so I got these things for my H11 light bulb because my connector is going bad, so I have to get some new ones. So we're gonna need this right here, these right here, marine heat shrink. These are gonna be good for waterproofing. One of these should work. Go ahead and take this and this. I only need one. This fog light down there is going out, so we're gonna, well, the light's not going out, but the wire is, it's just going bad. Go ahead and take this off first, and then I can reach down here, grab that. And this connector here is going bad. Interesting. So I'm gonna take this off. The light, put the light over there. Here's the new one. Let me see if it'll fit the light. Yep, fits in there just fine. So I'm gonna cut this one off and put this one in. Looks like somebody's been here before. Okay, cut that one off. I'll strip this wire a little bit. Take this. Just pull it out. So now I have red and black here. Now the old one and the new one. Put that down there for a little bit. Let me prep this one up. Gonna cut this a little bit more. This is a really bad wire cutter. Okay. Have a little bit more to work with here. And then what I'm going to do next Let's cut this in half. Place it down just like that. Place this one down just like that. And then we're gonna connect it with these wires down here. Red goes to red. Black goes to black. And then we're gonna cover it up. Okay, these are marine grade covers, so when you heat them up and they shrink, they should be waterproof. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a little torch and I'm gonna heat that up. Okay, so I have a little torch here. I'm gonna heat it up. Get it to shrink. Be careful not to burn myself. Okay. Now that should be good. The red still has a little bit of opening, so I shrink it just a little bit more. There it is. Okay, and that should be good. Now, go ahead and insert this back in. And then pull that cover up. Make sure that the wires get tucked back in here. Come on now. Okay, it's nice and tucked. Now we're gonna put this back in. I'm gonna just go ahead and tape this back here. I know it's not properly mounted, but do what I gotta do for now. And then let's go see if the fog lights work. Turn that on. And voila, it works now. This stupid thing was going out. This piece right here was not making contact anymore. So that's why I had to order some new ones. I'm just gonna rip this one out and then just use the new one. So there it is. I don't have to deal with not having the fog lights anymore. And that's how you fix a terminal like this.